Hey guys, it's me Brittany, the one and only Brittany. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, we're going to be unboxing the iPad Air 13-inch. Oh my gosh, this thing is so big. I love it already. So it is the 13-inch M2 chip, 120 gigabytes and Wi-Fi only. And I also have, because I couldn't just get the iPad Air without the brand new Apple Pro pencil that goes with this iPad, okay? Because I have an iPad already. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, okay? Yeah. Yeah, so I wanted this for editing because I want to edit, and why not edit on a bigger thing? And my twin was getting it, so I was like, I gotta get it too, because like she's getting it, so I'm gonna get two. Bro, that stutter was actually crazy. But okay, enough talking. Let's unbox this thing. Ugh, this thing is big, but I like it. I don't know what that is, but I'm not gonna be touching it, so it's okay. Ooh, this is so exciting. Okay. I got it. That is so satisfying. Now let's get this thing opened. Oh snap. Oh wait, first, let's open this. The Apple Pencil Pro. Oh, it says Pro on it. Oh my God, I didn't even notice that. Okay guys, so I'd already opened it because I needed to see if this was mine or my twins. It's mine, so. Okay. Okay guys, this is my pencil. It says, let me take it out. It says these nuts on it. Can y'all see it? It's not focused. It says these nuts. Yes, I love that saying. These nuts with a heart, period. That's what it looks like. Oh my God. That is so freaking cool though. Love that. Wow. Wait, let me figure out where to put the box. Put it on the floor. Dude, this thing is humongous. This is my hand compared to it. Oh my gosh. This thing is beautiful though. Gotta be careful. The beautiful purple. Okay, sorry. It says it's me Brittany because y'all watch me right now on my YouTube channel. It's me Brittany. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But yes, it says it's me Brittany, then my name, like my name. And then it says iPad Air. Dang, it's not focusing. iPad Air on it, and it has the Apple logo. Okay, let's set this aside. Okay, now let's open the rest of the box. Designed by Apple. Is there stickers in here? No, I don't think there's. Okay. Comes with the charger, the braided charger. If it would literally just focus. Comes with the braided charger and the block. Let's unwrap the block. Okay guys, now let's turn this thing on. I lowered down the lighting so y'all could see it a little bit better, but let's turn it on. Oh snap. that is noise. Hi guys. I look crazy. Okay, it says hello. English, United States. And it asks you what kind of appearance do I want. Okay, so this is small, default, medium, large. I'm gonna just do default. Okay, quick start. Okay, set up with another device. Okay. Okay, guys, so I finished setting it up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's still some more things I have to do. It says make this your iPad. We're gonna add that later. Okay, it's restoring from iCloud, so. Like, I'm gonna customize this iPad like different from my other one and make it more like my phone kind of, I guess. We're gonna let all these apps load because I don't really have apps on my iPad, for real. No way I missed. Oh snap, it's like this. That's cool. What's new for Apple Pencil, Scribble, Squeeze, Switch Tools, and Gestures. Okay. Y'all see that? My boyfriend's right there. That's me. Now it's sideways now. So that's y'all. And it's sideways. So take a picture. There's no way. Oh my God. Someone log out, please. Thank you. Okay, guys, so it is a couple days later. I have been playing with the iPad and I love it. So this is what my screen protector is looking like. I just made a vision board. Hold on. I had just made a vision board and it's a 2024 vision board. And I know I'm a little late to the game, but it's whatever. It's whatever. I'm always late to something. But let's put on the screen protector and the case. So this is the case I got. I got a smiley face case. It's like, it just goes with my personality and I love brown so much. And if this doesn't end up working, I'm just gonna get a different case. Toolkit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so that way you can be notified every time I post a new video. All right, my one and onlys, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing video. I hope you all have a good day. Bye, guys.